My name is Rifko. I'm with Oysters XO. And this tutorial is about how to clean and store your oysters. Have fun! Before we do anything, we want to sanitize our workspace. This way, we avoid cross-contamination with other raw products. When we're ready, we put a strainer into the sink and toss the oysters in there. Now put on some work gloves and tumble the oysters. When finished, toss the oysters in a bowl, fill it up with fresh cold water so the last debris will come off and be separated from the oysters. This way the oysters are nice and clean and ready to be shucked. We toss the oysters from the bowl into the oyster bag. Put a towel on the bottom of a clean bowl. Put the oyster bag on top of that and let the water drip from the oysters and the oyster bag into the towel. After a few minutes, they should be ready to put in a plastic bag. We put a nut in the plastic bag and it's ready to be refrigerated. Make sure it's the fridge and not the freezer. Oysters are alive, like to be chilled, not to be frozen. Easy. If you have any other questions, go to our website, oystersxo.com, or contact us. We're here for you. Have fun!